Did you know that we can add music, Spotify music, to our Canva presentation? So let's see how we can add the music. At first, we need to choose the presentation. You can search for presentations templates on the Canva homepage, click presentation, and here you can click browse template, and you can choose any template you need. For example, I'm choosing this one. Now I want to add Spotify music. So let's go to Spotify apps, and here we can choose any music. So I open the playlist, and here I'm clicking three dots, share and copy album link. Now link is copied. We can close our Spotify and let's come back to Canva. And now we can click right button and paste the link. And here you go. We see our Spotify list. We can resize it or make it smaller. And now let's go to present and click present. And if we need the timer, we can click number from the keyboard. For example, I am clicking number 5. And here I see the timer. We can adjust. For example, I'm entering 30 and clicking play. And now we can click play on Spotify list. And here you go. We see all our songs. We can change it. So I hope you like this quick tutorial. Click like and subscribe. And see you next time.